how to clear system data on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, uh, is your system data on your iPhone taking up a lot of space? Then do not worry, I'll help you on how to clear it. So, first things first, it can be super frustrating when you try to download an app or take a photo only to be met with that dreaded storage full message. Often, the culprit is system data taking up over 10 gigabytes, but I have some effective ways to reduce that file size. Open up your settings, then go to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Now, uh, you will see categories like photos and other applications. So these apps often store cache and system files that can really add up. So let's clean this up. You can go to one of the app and then you can see offload app option. So if you offload the app, it will delete the app but keep its documents and data, and you can reinstall it again. So if you offload the app, it will clear all the cache and the errors. And then when you reinstall it again, it will be updated. Now, another thing is you can come back and then go to your photos, and then here you'll be able to see your recently deleted album, how much space it is taking. Like in my case, it is taking up to 13.54 GB, which is a lot. So you can just empty it. You can even review your videos that are taking up large space, and you can delete unnecessary videos. Similarly, you can also offload any unused apps. Just go through it and offload the apps that you don't use. So this will help to clear the system data on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.